What we're going to work with now is a very unique product called Dbarrier. Dbarrier is unique because I can use it under LVT, locking systems, hardwood, laminate, any of the above. It's a product that basically just rolls out loose laying on the floor. At this point, what we'll do is we will tape these seams, but taping the seams is really something to just secure the product in place while we're installing our flooring product over the top of it. Basically, once you've got your Dbarrier in place, you would install your manufacturer's product as per manufacturer's instructions. When installing the Dbarrier product, you're basically going to use a pressure-sensitive adhesive, 16th by 32nd by 32nd notch trowel. Your Dbarrier product has various ways in which you can actually install it. What we're doing here is what we call a double glue installation type, where we're actually going to use adhesive underneath the Dbarrier and on top of the Dbarrier. Dbarrier can also be used with a situation where the Dbarrier is floating and then you're adhering product just to the top of it itself. That's what we call a single glue application. We took the Dbarrier and we're installing it in a double glue application, meaning that the product itself is actually adhered to the substrate using a pressure-sensitive adhesive, again, 16th by 32nd by 32nd notch, and especially in a commercial application where that product, that LVT, is not a locking system and it's going to be glued typically directly to the floor, using Dbarrier underneath it, again, gives you better acoustical properties as well as a nicer feel underfoot.